Gaeilge agus fáilte go Gaeilge mo chroí. Hello and welcome to Irish in My Heart. So this is the second time that I'm recording this video because for some reason it stopped the first time. I did the whole video without even checking. So please watch this video. I would really appreciate it. So today the topic of the video is weather. So I'm going to teach you how to describe the weather in Irish. So in Ireland we don't need many words to describe the weather because we really only have one season and it's rain every single day. So first of all, I'm going to tell you if you want to describe the weather in the present, future or past tense. I'm not going to get too much into the tenses just for the sake of this. I just thought, if you want to say how the weather was yesterday or today or tomorrow, this is how you say it. For it is, as in today, you say tá sé. For tomorrow, you would say bé sé. For yesterday, for it was, you would say bhí sé. And then you need the three words for yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Now, I've already posted these on my Instagram a couple of weeks ago, so if you're not following that, then please go ahead and follow it. I will have it on the screen and linked in the description. I make Irish posts almost every day on that account, so if you'd like to learn more Irish, then please give it a follow. The words for yesterday, today, and tomorrow, just to recap, are inné for yesterday, today is inniu, and tomorrow is amara. And I'm going to start by telling you the word for weather. So the weather in Irish is amsir. The word for dry is cherim. If you want to say it is dry, you say tá sé cherim inniu, it is dry today. Bhí sé cherim inné, it was dry yesterday. And bé sé cherim amara, it will be dry tomorrow. The word for wet is floch. The word for hot is che. If you want to say it's raining, like I do every single day, the phrase is é cur báistí. Tá sé cur báistí, bhí sé cur báistí, bé sé cur báistí. To say cloudy, you say scamalach. It's stormy, you say stormiúil. Windy, you say gífer. Sunny is grainmhar. Snowing is é cur sneachta. And the word for fog is ceá. I think I've covered most of the basic ways you describe the weather. So now I'd like to give you a few phrases to kind of describe it nicer. So if you want to say that there wasn't a cloud in the sky, níl aon scamal sa spéir. Níl is the negative present tense. Aon means any. Scamal means cloud. Sa spéir means in the sky. If you wanted to say there's a strong wind blowing, tá gí láidir ag séideadh. Gí is wind, láidir is strong, ag séideadh means blowing. Tá gí láidir ag séideadh. And if you wanted to say the sun is splitting the rocks, then you would say tá an grain ag sculptú na gloch. Grain is the word for sun, ag sculptú, splitting, rocks, na gloch. Tá an grain ag sculptú na gloch. There's a thick fog, you would say tá ceá chomh an. Ceá is fog, chomh means thick, and an means there. Tá ceá chomh an. Like I said, all these phrases depend on what tense you're putting into and if you want to say it was yesterday, today or tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed these phrases, and I know there's a lot of vocabulary, a lot to take in, but just watch the video a few times, go back over it, and you'll, pick up a few phrases. We don't use many of these in Ireland, to be honest. It always amazes me for a country that has such little change in the weather that people are always commenting on it. Like, they're like, oh, it's freezing today. And I'm like,
it's freezing every day, Mary.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe down below if you would like to see more videos about learning Irish. and please follow my Instagram and you'll learn something new almost every day. Gora mai agus slán leat.